ITC Power. Empower your business.
Unscrew the oil drain bolt. Drain out all of dirty oil. Unscrew the fixing bolts of the oil filter. Take out the oil filter. Install a new oil filter. Tighten the bolt. First replace oil and oil filter after 20 hours. Then every 100 hours. Remove the fuel pipes at both ends of the fuel filter. Replace new fuel filter. Insert the fuel pipes at both ends and clamp the clamps. Replace fuel filter every 100 hours. Remove the air filter cover. Unscrew the nut of the air filter cover. Take out the dirty air filter element. Install the new air filter. Reinstall the air filter cover and tighten the nut. Replace air filter every 100 hours.